Okay guys, I wanted to do a quick video to show you guys how I do my Stickermule tape that goes on my boxes. So this is my Stickermule tape. It is the packing tape on their website, which I think is currently on sale for $9 for one more day. You get to design it to do whatever you'd like. And it is wet adhesive, so it's kind of like a stamp or an envelope. You have to wet the back of it in order to apply it to your boxes. So I'm just going to show you how I do that. I have pre-taped my boxes. I tape a small piece in the middle and then I tape around, and I do that on both sides of both boxes. And then I have just a cup of water and my sponge. Your packing tape does come with a sponge. And so I dip the end of it just so that the end of it is wet. And then I kind of squeeze out any excess. And then I just lay my packing tape out and I start at one end. And I just make sure that it gets wet, and I just slide it to the other end. And I try to get as much of the edges as I can as well. And then I set my box basically right in the middle of it. And then I wrap it up and around. And then after I wrap it, I press it down on all sides. The only tricky part is trying to get it kind of lined up, because I always get it a little crooked, but I'm not too worried about it. So that is all that it is. Once you stick it, it dries fairly fast. I think I've never had any issues with it. And as long as you have your entire package or your entire packing tape, as long as your entire packing tape is wet, you're not going to have any lifting. And it's reinforced with strings through it, so it's not going to pop open. Your box is not going to pop open. It's going to be completely protected and safe. And that is why I do wrap it all the way around. So again, I'm going to do one more box. I have one more here to do. So I'm gonna just dip it in there. And make sure I get it wet enough. And then I'm gonna start at one end, which hopefully you can see that. Okay, there we go. So I just start at one end and make sure it gets the entire end. And then I just drag it down to the other end. Making sure I get the edges. And then again, I just set my box right in the middle, or as close to the middle as I can get. I press, I bring up one side, and I'm way off on this one, but you get the gist of it. And I bring it up and over, and then press. And then go around the sides. And just make sure that all of it is completely sealed. And there you have it. It looks nice and fancy. Okay, so I just wanted to go over my other Stickermule items that I use. Everybody kind of uses something different to make their packages special, but this is what I do. I don't use it on every package, but I do, and that's just because of the different types of cups that are going out and the different packages that I have to package. So not all of them look the exact same, but the majority of them get all of the same stuff as far as my packaging goes. So I use the stickers, which are just a little thank you sticker that I put on the outside of my box. And then I use these labels, which go on the bottom of my cup. I know that there are some people that don't do that. I prefer to do it because I think it's a good way for my name for you to be able to reference it on the bottom of your cup. And this is a label, it is not a sticker. So the label and the sticker are different in that the label is not a permanent adhesive. It is a strong adhesive, but it's not a permanent adhesive. So if people were to want to take that off, they can. Some of my cups that I made early on, I put them in the epoxy. I never had anybody complain about it, but I had somebody mention it to me that somebody may not want it. So, and they were completely against it. So I thought, well, just to make it more user-friendly, I guess, for those that don't want a sticker on the bottom of theirs, I made it to where that I just put it on the outside now of the stainless steel, or if it's a full coverage cup, then I will put it on the outside of the epoxy on the final coat. So, excuse me, that is the label, and this is the 2x2 label, and this is the sticker. And again, the difference is this is permanent, a permanent adhesive, and that's why I put it on the outside of my box, because it's a permanent adhesive. And this one is not permanent, it's a label. That's the difference. They are both weatherproof and waterproof, so you can, they're not gonna rub off. That ink is gonna stay there. They don't fade over time, and you can look at Stickermule's website to see the testing that they've done on them, but they're very good quality. And then I also have these labels, and I put them on the tissue paper when I wrap the cups. And that's just, my branding that I do. And again, these are labels, not stickers, but those are a few of the products from Stickermule. I get asked that a lot, like how I package and how I basically market, brand my stuff. And this is what I do. I think it is good to kind of be proud of your product and what you are giving to people, and so I choose to do that. And then outside of the stickers, I also have the poly mailers. I don't know that I'll always have the poly mailers, but I did try them when they had them on sale, and I accidentally bought the wrong size, so I have some that are small for like the kid cups, and then I also have my normal size ones, which are like 10 by 13 for the bigger cups, the 30 ounce and the 20 ounce. But I like to stick my cups in these bags after they've been wrapped and protected, just because it's kind of fun to open it up and it gives it a nice presentation, I think. So those are the products that I use from Stickermule, and like I said, I like everything that I've tried there so far. And that's all I've tried. I've tried the packing tape, and I've tried the labels, the stickers, and the poly mailers. So if you haven't purchased from them yet, they have a referral link, and I'll drop it in my comments below. But if you haven't purchased with them, you can click the referral link and you'll get $10 added to your account to spend over $30. So if you spend over $30, then you'll get to use the credit. It does, if you do purchase, it does give me 10. So just putting that out there. I'm not saying to do it, but I do use the products and I do like them, and I get asked a lot. So if you know somebody else and want to use their link, by all means use their link. But if you don't, and you are looking for a new thing to try and want to try the products that they have, I do recommend them. So they've been good to me. So I will put that link out there. They do, if you sign up on their website too, they do have specials. So the packing tape is usually $39 a roll, and it's 3,600 feet, I believe, in a roll. And I use probably 2 to 3 feet per box. So you're going to get like 100 boxes out of one roll, or more. depending upon your box size. So I've had one roll since I bought it, and it literally has lasted me the entire time that I've been doing my cups so far. And I've purchased a couple more rolls when they've had them on sale, but usually they're $39, and the sale that they usually do is like for $9, I think, and the shipping was free this time when I just did it. So it's a really good deal for $9. The stickers and the labels are a little bit more expensive, and the poly mailers are quite expensive. So I only generally buy those when it's on sale, when they've had like a special for it. But like I said, I've definitely used the discounts, and they have a multi-product discount. So if you buy like a label and packing tape at the same time, you're going to get just a little bit more of a discount too than you would if you just purchased the packing tape alone, or the sticker alone, or the label alone. So those are just things to keep in mind about Stickermule and about what they offer. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. Again, they have the best customer service of any company that I've ever dealt with as far as an online place to purchase something. They are quick. They always get back with me, sometimes within an hour, sometimes within a day, but it's always within a day. And they're always helpful and understanding, and they're very, very quick to help you understand any issues that you have with them. They've been great. My bags didn't come printed the right way, and they fixed it without even question. I sent them a picture, and they've been great. So I've never had any problems with them. 100% for customer service. So if you guys have any questions, again, drop it below. If you enjoy seeing my videos, I will be having a lot more coming. I've been working on quite a few. So get ready. Thanks, guys.